Welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Manya Gupta and we have got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. So at the Microsoft Ignite 2024 event, company introduced several new AI-driven features aimed at enhancing productivity across Microsoft 365 apps. So among the key announcements were purpose-built AI agents that can perform tasks within apps like SharePoint, Teams, and Microsoft Planner without requiring programming. So these pre-trained agents handle enterprise-specific tasks such as summarizing meeting notes, managing projects, and answering HR-related queries. Event also showcased Copilot Actions feature, which automates repetitive tasks like gathering inputs from coworkers and summarizing action items. Additionally, new features in Copilot Pages and PowerPoint, including the ability to create interactive flowcharts and translate presentations, they were announced. These updates are all set to be available in 2025. NVIDIA's Blackwell AI chips designed for faster processing in data centers, they are reportedly facing overheating issues when installed in servers that hold up to 72 chips. So the overheating problem has caused concerns among customers about delays in launching new data centers. NVIDIA has asked suppliers to redesign server racks to address this issue. Despite these challenges, NVIDIA stated that engineering iterations are expected as a part of development process. Initially slated for release in Q2, that is quarter 2, the Blackwell chips have already experienced delays, potentially impacting major customers like Meta, Google, and Microsoft. The Blackwell chip combines two silicon squares for a significant speed boost, promising 30 times faster processing for tasks like chatbot responses. Google is reportedly working on a new AI feature for its Google Keep app named Help Me Draw, which can transform hand-drawn sketches into AI-generated images. Found in the latest APK of Google Keep for Android, the feature is expected to allow users to draw sketches or text and then use AI to enhance these unique images. Once live, users can highlight their drawings prompt with AI description and choose from styles like vector, pencil, or ink. Initially available through Google Workspace Lab, it may later be rolled out on a broader audience. Before we jump back into mind-blowing world of AI again, let me know if you are enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on the top of all the things related to tech. Here's why you should subscribe to IT Voice. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancements to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, so stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. At the SC24 Supercomputing Conference, NASA highlighted the cutting-edge AI-powered tools aimed at advancing research in heliophysics, earth science, and beyond. Nicola Fox, Associate Administrator for the Science Mission Directorate, introduced AI-driven computational models, including a heliophysics foundation model that uses data from the Solar Dynamic Observatory to predict solar wind events and track sunspots. A larger language model tailored for NASA's science divisions is also in the works to support astrophysics, planetary science, and biological science. The Earth Information Center emerged as a stellar example of real-time data application, integrating satellite insights to monitor natural phenomena like wildfires. Microsoft has reached an agreement with New Corp's HarperCollins to use select non-fiction books from publisher to train its AI models. The deal allows Microsoft to improve its model performance using these titles, though the company clarified that the content will not be used to generate new books without human authors. HarperCollins authors can choose whether or not to participate in the initiative. The move highlights the growing trend of high-tech companies seeking high-quality licensed content to enhance their AI capability. However, concerns about copyright infringement have led to lawsuits, with the New York Times suing OpenAI and Microsoft over similar content usage issues. Snowflake has raised its annual product revenue forecast and announced a strategic partnership with AI firms Anthropic to enhance its cloud service. This collaboration aims to integrate Anthropic's large language model into Snowflake's platform, enabling users to build and refine AI applications. Snowflake's AI agent, powered by Snowflake Intelligence Platform, will leverage Anthropic's technology for advanced data analysis and visualization. This announcement led to a 19% surge in Snowflake's shares. So for the fiscal year 2025, Snowflake now expects product revenue of $3.43 billion, up from the previous forecast of $3.36 billion. Company also reported strong third quarter results with total revenue of $942.1 million and product revenue of $900.3 million, surpassing the analyst expectations. Snowflake's move into AI positions is well to compete in the growing AI market as enterprise increasingly adopt AI-powered data solutions. Google's AlphaQubit, developed by DeepMind and Quantum AI, marks a breakthrough in quantum error correction. Using advanced AI models like transformers, AlphaQubit detects and corrects errors in qubits, that is the fragile building blocks of quantum computers. Trained on Google's Sycamore quantum processor, it reduces errors up to 30% compared to the traditional methods, setting a new accuracy standard. Scalable to larger systems, it shows promise for advancing quantum computing towards solving complex global challenges. While challenges remain in speed and real-time application, AlphaQubit is a significant step towards reliable quantum processors capable of groundbreaking scientific discoveries. That was all for the week's AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so don't forget to drop a comment below. below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.